DOSO 1781 double stem motor button-holding machine. Newly upgraded structure and integrated electronic control, beautiful and easy to use. Visual operation panel, voice broadcasting, Chinese and English language available. Statistical function of buttonhole numbers. Step motor control auto lifter. Quick response and precise positioning. Step motor control cutter. Silent cutting. Continuous cutting. Higher efficiency without changing blade. Further increase the height of the cutting blade to avoid collision of mechanical components during height difference sewing. Cutting automatically stops when the thread breathes, in avoid of damaging the fabric. Buttonhole's length, width, and stitch numbers are adjustable. More precise operation, personalized and beautiful style. Powerful servo motor, max speed is 3000 RPM. 5 levels of brightness, auto-adjust LED light according to fabric color, making sewing more comfortable. 1781 is suitable for various fabrics from thick to thin. Widely used for buttonholes in coats, suits, shirts, innerwear, denim, and uniforms, etc.